Welcome to OutdoorSumo.com. Hi guys, today I will show you Skate Gear Retro Quad Roller Skates with structured boot. Durable and reliable construction ensures a safe and efficient skating experience. The 54 by 32 mm 95 APVC wheels are extra soft for easy grip, while the wide suspension trucks provide stability and balance. Get better traction, control and maneuverability with the sleek Cal 7 Speedy skates. Retro boot style, classic, high-top boot with heel design in an array of styles. Great grip. Design features 58 by 32 mm wheels in soft, 83A PU material and rubber toe stop. Ankle support. Interior PVC leather structure boot provides extra ankle support. Quality material, aluminum trucks and flexible, comfortable, long-lasting faux leather fabric. Thanks for visit this channel.